Are you battling or struggling with hyperpigmentation, discoloration on your skin, dark spots, or dull skin? If any of this is you, come closer because I have something specifically for you. I uploaded some videos a couple of weeks ago, and a lot of you have been asking, oh, please share your routine with us, share your face routine with us. What are you using on your face? So in this video, I'm going to be making a practical video of my step-by-step 9-time routine on the days of exfoliation. This routine I'm showing you guys today is the routine I normally do on the days of exfoliation. I normally exfoliate my skin, like my face, 2 times in a week. Sometimes I do 3 times in a week. I'm going to be showing you guys what I do on my skin. Then in my subsequent video, I'm going to be teaching you guys my step-by-step morning routine and my step-by-step 9-time routine on the days without exfoliation. So in this routine, the product I'm going to be using the Koji soap. I'm going to be using the glycolic acid toner. I'm going to be using the niacinamide serum. I'm going to be using the Nivea soft moisturizer. Then I'm going to be using this for my lips. Sometimes I use this aloe vera gel. These are the things I'm going to be using to show you guys in this routine. Okay, this is my face. Let's be practical right now. First of all, I normally use my Koji soap to wash my face. That's the first thing I do. Maybe after, when I'm in the bathroom, I use my Dove to wash my face. But when I want to cleanse my face, I go in with my Koji soap. This is the Koji soap over here. This is what I use to cleanse my face. So we'll be cleansing my face right now. I'll have to remove my ring and show you guys. First of all, I'll have to wet my face. So this is the water I'll be using to wet my face, right? This is the water here. Woo! So my face is properly wet. So right now I'll be taking my Koji soap. I'll be using to cleanse my face. So this is my Koji soap. Then I'll use it to massage, especially all those places that are a bit dark or have dark spots. Like I use it and massage my face, okay, like this. I'll leave this on my skin for like a minute, then before I wash it off. So this is what I do first. I cleanse my face with my Koji soap, then I allow it for like 1 minute. So let's wait for 1 minute before we go in with the next step. This is 1 minute already, so I'm going to wash out my face, then I'll come back. So I've washed my face out right now, so I'm going to allow my face to dry up before I'll go in with the next step. In this particular method, you're going to allow your face to dry up very well. So my face is properly dried now. I'll be going in with my glycolic acid toner. I'm going to use it to gently exfoliate my skin. Okay, this is the toner over here. I'm going to take it and damp on my palms and damp on my skin. I'll just rub it, then I'll just take it all over my face and I'll extend it down to my neck.
Just that big thing, then like this.
I have a little dark spot here. I don't know, it just came up, so I will be focusing more on this place. So I'm going to be applying it more. I'll take some more
on my face circle.
If you notice, I avoided my eye area, so you can apply a Vaseline on your eye area, then you can apply your toner. I've applied my toner on my face, so I'll allow this toner to absorb into my skin and dry up before I will go in to apply my serum. So let's wait for the product to absorb to my skin. I made a video about how to exfoliate your skin the right way. I'll link the video up here. Please do well to watch this video. You're going to learn a lot about exfoliating. Exfoliating is very important if you want to have a beautiful, brighter, lighter and glowing skin. You need to exfoliate your skin. Like you can exfoliate with either a physical exfoliant or a chemical exfoliant. Like the one I'm using right now that I applied on my face is a chemical exfoliant. So what I mean by the chemical exfoliant, I mean like the mandelic acid, the lactic acid, the cerulic acid and the glycolic acid. This one now I'm using right now is a glycolic acid. Then the physical exfoliant, that's when we're talking about the sugar scrub and the salt scrub. Those ones I'll recommend you use them on your body. Then you can use your chemical exfoliant on your face, or if you must use your physical exfoliant, please use a sugar scrub on your face. Don't use a salt scrub, especially if you have a normal skin, okay, or an oily skin. But if you have a sensitive skin, please don't use a scrub on your face. You can get a facial scrub. They have facial scrub which is a bit softer and mild on the skin, so you can use it on your face. Like you can also get a chemical exfoliant like this one I'm using right now, or salicylic acid or other acid which I've mentioned in this video. Okay, let's wait for my face to absorb, let it dry up, then I'll now go in with my serum. Okay, so guys, if you have any video ideas you want me to make for you guys, do well to comment down below. Anyone I can start with, I will do that. Okay, so my face has properly absorbed, my glycolic acid has absorbed into my skin. So now we're going in with my niacinamide serum. Okay, this is serum here. I'll be using my niacinamide serum. I'll be using it on my face. I'm almost running out of it. Oh my god! Now allow the dropper to touch your face. So I'll be applying it now on my face. Anything you're applying, please extend your hand down to the neck, okay? So your face will not be different from your neck. This is my face after my serum. We're going to allow this serum to absorb into our skin before we go in with the next step. Mind you, anytime you're doing your skincare, please, any step you're doing, allow the product to absorb into your skin before you go in to do the next step. It will help your product to perform better and absorb into your skin and, you know, function better. Okay, so just allow your product, anyone you're doing, even though it's just like 2 minutes or 1 minute before you go in with the next one. Okay, so let's allow this to absorb before we go into the next step, which is our moisturization. After our face is properly absorbed, like if you can see, my skin is a bit sticky. That shows my product is absorbed into my skin. Now I'm going to be taking this Nivea Soft Moisturizer. I'm going to be applying it on my face. Ow! Apply on my face. So now I'm going to be massaging it on my face. This moisturizer is so nice. It's so nice. This moisturizer is so moisturizing. This is all I do on the days of my exfoliation. Then any day I'm not using this Nivea soap, I will go in with my aloe vera. But today I'm not going to be using the aloe vera. I'll just use only the moisturizer on my face, and that's all. So the next thing I'm going to do is to hydrate my lips, which I'll be taking my sleep therapy, and I'm going to be, I'm going to be hydrating my lips. That's all for my nighttime step-by-step routine for discoloration, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation and dull skin. So this is what I do on the days of my exfoliation, my step-by-step routine. Okay, so guys, have you tried any of this routine, or have you used any of this product which I've mentioned in this video? If you have, please do well to share your experience with us in the comment section. And if you've used any routine that worked for you, that tackles discoloration or hyperpigmentation or dark spot, please do well to share in the comment section. So guys, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do now. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, you can as well watch this video right here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.